Factors affecting rate of reaction. The rate of reaction depends upon several factors. These are 1. Nature of reactant. The rate of a chemical reaction is influenced by the nature of the reactants. For example, the reactions involving polar and ionic substances are quite fast. A chemical reaction involving covalent reactants involves the breaking of old bonds and formation of new bonds, that is, rearrangement of bonds. Therefore, when a chemical reaction involves the rearrangement of bond, the rate of reaction depends upon the ease with which the specific bonds are broken or formed. For example, AA, BB are the reactant, and the energy required to break AA and the energy required to break BB are depends, and on that only we can find out that how AB is formed, or the AB, if it is formed very fast, that means this bond, the rearrangement, if it is very easy, the reaction is very fast. If it is very difficult to form AB, then the reaction is very slow. Then next is the concentration of the reactants. In general, the rate of reaction increases on increasing the concentration of the reactant. Fill in the blank question. And give reason also. But how? Why? What is the reason when the concentration increases, the rate of reaction increases? When the concentration of the reactant is increased, the possibility of molecular collisions increases. Consequently, the rate of reaction increases. Third one, temperature. The rate of reaction usually increases on increasing the temperature. Fill in the blank question. Fourth one, surface area. If one of the reactants is solid, the rate of reaction increases with an increase in the surface area of the reactant. Finely divided solid reactants possess a larger surface area as compared to the massive reactants, and they react much faster. If a one piece of the solid, the surface area, if you compare, if it is made it in the form of a powder, the surface area of the powder is more. Therefore, any reactant, when it is converted into the powder form, the surface area increases and the rate of reaction increases. Fifth one, presence of catalyst. A catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Fill in the blank question and give reason question. In a chemical reactions, there is an energy barrier is there. If all the molecules have to cross this energy barrier, but this catalyst will provide a lower energy barrier. Therefore, this much differences is there for the if a catalyst is used. Therefore, more and more molecules will take part and get converted into the product. Therefore, the presence of catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Give reason question. Then this side. Due to the lowering of energy barrier, that means energy barrier is reduced or to the lower point. This is the higher point, which is actual energy level or barrier. Now it is only this much. Therefore, more and more molecules are due to lowering of energy barrier, a larger number of molecules of reactants are able to cross it. They will cross this energy barrier, and consequently the rate of reaction increases. These are all the factors which affects the chemical reaction, rate of reaction.